how to turn off or on auto join groups on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on auto join groups on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here in the top corner. After that click settings and then scroll all the way down until you find messaging. Now just scroll down and here you will find auto join groups. Turn it off or on. You can turn it off or on easy and quick, and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.